Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You want usable slow motion, so start by choosing the highest frame rate your phone supports. 60 or 120 FPS captures motion cleanly. Once done, lock exposure and white balance to avoid flicker during the clip and enable the grid for steady framing. Record with a second or two of buffer at the start and end so trimming is forgiving. Make sure to capture movement that reads well slowed down. Fast actions or small gestures translate best into dramatics. You can import your high frame rate clip into Reels and then apply built-in speed controls. Instagram lets you change playback speed, but for precise slow motion use 0, 25 or 0, 5x to retain smoothness. Once done, trim the clip to isolate the peak action and align the start with your beat or cue. If the app's slowdown looks choppy, export to a video editor where you can set variable speed ramps and stabilization. Then re-import the finished file back into Reels for final touches. You'll finish by color grading, adding captions, and selecting a cover frame so viewers understand the slow motion moment instantly. Once done, preview playback. If you see stutter or frame jumping, re-export the clip at a higher bitrate or re-edit using the 120 FPS source and apply optical stabilization. Make sure audio timing matches any slow segments, either stretch ambient audio or add a synced music cue. Post with a concise caption and relevant hashtags to reach viewers who love slow motion content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.